How you doing, you guys? I'm not gonna take up too much of your time, but I'm gonna get straight to the point. If you're a person that looking the way to make some legitimate money online and how to make over $1,000 or more on a daily basis on autopilot, I'm here to let you know that you felt on the right video. You guys, listen to me. I've been doing internet marketing for the last 11 years now. And what I did was I said to myself, I'm going to take this game to a next level. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a video out there on YouTube, and I'm going to attract a lot of people. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of my comfort zone and go out there to help you people to be successful. With me helping you to build your story, guess what happened? I would end up getting what I want in my life by helping a lot of people to get what they want in their life. Successful people leave tracks behind for another person to be successful. So if you want to be successful, email me right now or contact me. My number's somewhere on this video. Contact me right now and say, King, I'm ready to make a decision in my life that I want to start making money on a daily basis. I want to start making money while I'm sleeping. I want to start making money while I'm out on a vacation, while I'm enjoying the weather, while I'm enjoying the beach life, while I'm enjoying the successful life. I want to start living a lifestyle like how you live, Mr. King. I want that. If you want that, you guys, right now, this is what you need to do. Contact me. My number's somewhere on this video. My email somewhere on this video. And I'm here to let you know, you guys, in order to get something, you must give something. Just like how you wanted to go out there and invest into that TV that you got in your house, or you invested into a car, or you invested into the shoes that you got on right now. Guess what? It's those shoes making you money. It's that TV that you're watching on a daily basis. Is it making you money right now? Is that cell phone that you watching me on off of YouTube right now, is it making you money right now? I can show you how to take that same cell phone that you have right now, that you watching me on YouTube right now, that same computer that you're watching with me right now. I can teach you on how to make that be a money magnet to you, you guys. If you want to become a money magnet, you guys, I would teach you exactly on how to become a money magnet. I would teach you how to make money in your sleep, and you can start living the lifestyle that you want. You can start going to places that you want. You can start driving the finest things that you want in life. You guys, I wasn't always like how I am right now. I wasn't a motivator speaker. I wasn't a lifetime coach. I wasn't a professional advertiser like I am today, you guys. I was a person that was scared to be on the camera because I have a problem with me stuttering a lot. And I know a lot of you guys probably feel like that, who am I? You know, why would people want to listen to me? Why would people want to listen to me? You understand? I said the same thing. But one of my business partners said this here. He said, Mr. King, when you made your first $1 million and stuff like that online, how did you do it? I said, I did it off advertisement. He said, did you talk to anyone? I said, no. He said, did you put yourself out there in any way? I said, no. He said, okay, just imagine how you went out there and you made $1 million in the background without you even much talking to people. A lot of people want to do the same exact thing that you done. So with you making $1 million just like that, you will make more, because now you putting your face on it. And what you putting your face on it, now people can see exactly what it is that you're doing. If you talk to people, you'll make more money because you'll gain more trust. And you'll gain more people to want to do business with you. But I didn't look at it as that, you guys, when I first was doing it. Because all I was just doing was just joining affiliate programs, and I was just putting money behind the advertisement to put the advertisement out there. That's all I was doing, you guys. I was creating systems and putting money behind the advertisement and just pushing it out there. If you guys want to do that, you can do that. You understand? You don't have to be the one just like me on YouTube making this video. I'm making this video to grab your attention because I know there's a lot of you're struggling right now. And you're looking for ways to make money online. And a lot of you falling into a lot of rat holes. I'm here to let you know, all that stop right now today. It always starts with a decision. Like I tell people, success does come overnight. And how do success come overnight? By making the decision in your life to do something different than what the pack is doing.